Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Thompson back with Read Your Library. After a short break, little trip, little vacation, wasn't able to keep up with the videos, but now we're back, and today I'm going to talk to you about a book that I really loved, but that depending on the kind of person you are and the things you like, you might love it or you might hate it. And when I tell you about the book, you'll know why. This book, the bestseller, The Art of Racing in the Rain by Garth Stein. If you don't like books about animals or dogs, if you don't like books in which the narrator is the dog, you'll hate this book. I loved this book. It is a really funny book, insightful, exciting. It is told from the perspective of Enzo, the wonderful dog in the book. He's the main character. He narrates the book. It gives you a lot of insight, I think, into what humans hope, guess, feel, assume, have researched into the way dogs think and act. I found it insightful anyway, based on, I don't know whatever Garth Stein's research told him about what dogs think. The story itself is very gripping. Enzo's owner goes through a lot, and the dog is by his side, and what he observes about humans and human nature and relationships, and even the way he tries to get involved or interfere to help his owner is really gripping and exciting, suspenseful at times. And even more interestingly for me personally, the other part of the book, the racing part, his owner is a aspiring race car driver who's had to kind of give up his dream to have a family and gets a chance at some point in the book to get it back. And there's a lot about car racing in this book, which for my family and for me is interesting because my husband, as some of you know, is an amateur race car driver, and we are very interested and follow motorsports very closely, and a lot of what he talks about in this book is stuff that's familiar to us, so that part of it was really interesting too. So overall, this book could not really have been more designed to appeal to me, between the dog and the racing and the story. But I will warn you that I cried my eyes out at the end of this book. I mean, like, sobbed uncontrollably. It's one of those. It's a real tearjerker. It really gets to the heart. To the point, in fact, that I think I read somewhere that Garth Stein rewrote a version of it for children because they loved the story, but it needed to be slightly less kind of traumatic in that sense. So he wrote kind of a young adult or child's version, I think. I'm not clear on that, but I remember reading something about that, and I can see why. This book will really rip your heart out, and if you're a kid, it could really traumatize you. But I really recommend it if you love dogs, period. And if you're not afraid of books like Watership Down, Mrs. Frisbee, books like that, on a more adult level though, that are told from an animal narrator, you'll really love this book, trust me. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Read Your Library.